Hi, so this is a super fast tutorial on how to get like a border around shapes that you can cut out in Cricut. So we're going to start with a basic shape. I'll make it bigger. And I always like to turn it into white. So that's the edge. So we're just going to use offset. I'm just going to do that basic one for now. So what you do is you make sure you grab both of them, and then you go down to slice. And then when they're sliced, you can move that part, and then move this part, and you're left with a border that will be cut out. Like the outside gets cut and the inside gets cut. You can do it with any shape, so let's do another one. Let's do something a bit more complicated. So I change to white, and then I offset, and make sure I select everything, so the offset and my original. Go down to slice, and then I just pick the layer and delete, pick the next layer and delete, and then I'm left with the shape. So pretty simple. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.